Hello, welcome to Startforce. Startforce is the leading provider of web desktops. A web desktop is a desktop that you can run instantly from any web browser. I'm going to give you a little demonstration of what a Startforce Web Desktop can do for you. Login takes just a few seconds. Startforce is extremely fast. Here's my web desktop. It should look pretty familiar. I've got some icons here for applications that I use frequently. Startforce is the only web desktop that can run Microsoft Office products. We also have some powerful Startforce native applications that I'll show you a little bit more about later. With Startforce, you keep all of your files and folders in My Storage, so you can access them anywhere. Let's take a look at how truly powerful Startforce can be. Check out the Apps menu. Here you'll find some quick links to common folders and recently opened applications. The Programs menu comes complete with pre-installed applications. These apps will keep you productive wherever you go. There's also some other menus here that you're definitely going to want to check out, including Web Apps, Media System, and Settings. Let's quickly take a look at some of these applications. The File Explorer is a great place to start because this is where you'll keep all your files and folders. This should look pretty familiar to anyone who's used a computer before. You can select files, drag and drop, right-click, copy-paste, you name it, it's all there, like a traditional desktop. Here I'm changing views to see my files in a different way. Here's an example of a right-click context menu. This lists some common actions that you can take against this file. Let's try drag and drop. I'm going to take this recipes document and drag it onto my desktop. And there it is. Let's put it back. Pretty simple. As mentioned before, we can run Microsoft Office products. Let's take a look at Microsoft Word. Remember, there's no download and no install. I can instantly run this from any web browser. That's pretty cool. And you don't have to settle for less. Just get the real thing. Let's keep going. How about Microsoft Excel? Beautiful. Love it. I can do this anywhere. I don't have to worry about installing or upgrading. And I don't have to worry about my files being compatible. Finally, let's try PowerPoint. Now I've got my presentations to go, and if I need to make a change, I can do so right there on the fly. That's pretty cool. Here's the Startforce email program. It works just like Microsoft Outlook. I can drag and drop my emails into files and folders and keep myself organized, opening an email and replying as a snap. You get the picture. Let's move on. There's also a Startforce calendar application, and it's pretty easy to use. We also have a context manager that integrates with both of these applications. What about instant messaging? Yeah, we got that with Messenger. You can log into any of your existing accounts with single sign-on. It's an all-in-one solution. Don't forget, you can also stitch in any web application that you currently use. Startforce is also multimedia ready. Let's look at some of my pictures using the cool iris viewer. That's pretty cool. I can do this anywhere. The great thing about Startforce for companies is our desktop virtualization solution does not rely on traditional RDP or ICA protocols, and there's no Windows running on the back end. We built this web desktop for the web by using web technologies and AJAX techniques to create a very responsive and extremely scalable solution. If you want to learn more, check out the feature tour or try the live demo. Don't settle for less. Stick with the best. Startforce Web Desktop.